Hello, and once again everyone. I am Midshipman Christian Ogalar from the first year base MT from the section G2A. And I will memorize lastly the rule 38. Rule 38, exemptions. Any vessels or class of vessels provided that she complies with the requirements of the international regulation for preventing collision at sea 1960, the keel of which is the lead or which is at a corresponding stage of construction before the entry into force of this regulation may be exempted from compliance therewith as follows. A. The installation of lights with ranges prescribed in Rule 22 until 4 years after the date of entry into the force of these regulations. B. The installations of lights with color specifications as prescribed in Section 7 of Annex 1 to these regulations until 4 years after the date of entry into force of the regulations. C. The repositioning of lights as a result of conversions from imperial of metric units and rounding of measurements figures permanent exceptions. D. 1. The repositions of masted lights on vessel of less than 150 meters in length resulting from the prescriptions of the Section 3A of Annex of these regulations. 2. The repositioning of masted lights on vessels of 150 meters of more length resulting from the prescriptions of Section 3A of Annex 1 to these regulations until 9 years after the date of entry into force of these regulations. E. The repositioning of masted lights resulting from the prescriptions of Section 2B of Annex 1 of these regulations until 9 years after the date of entry into force of these regulations. F. The repositioning of sidelights resulting from the prescription of Section 2G and 3B of Annex 1 to these regulations until 9 years after the date of entry into force of these regulations. G. The requirements for sound signals appliances prescribed in Annex 3 to these regulations until 9 years after the date of entry into force of these regulations. H. The repositioning of all round lights resulting from the prescription of Section 9B of Annex 1 to these regulations permanent exceptions.